this assessment asks us to give the product of the alkene shown reacting with a mixture of sulfuric acid and water. Let's consider a mechanism as part of this process of showing the product. First of all, when sulfuric acid and water combine, we're going to end up with H3O plus in solution. And so the acid in solution will be that. As an acid, it's going to react with our nucleophilic alkene that we can show reacting in this way. Let me use the weatherman thing. So we're going to draw the arrow showing that the proton can be grabbed, pushing those electrons onto oxygen. When that happens, we're going to make the tertiary carbocation preferentially because it is more stable. That tertiary carbocation can now react with water. Oxygen can donate a pair of electrons to that empty p orbital. When it does, it's going to bring along its proton so that at this point, oxygen has a positive charge. The reaction will then finish with another molecule of water coming in and removing that proton. The final product and the answer to this assessment then is this alcohol. One thing we'll note is that this reaction started with H3O plus, and at the end, this reaction of water to grab that proton regenerated H3O plus. So this reaction is actually catalyzed by H3O plus.